So I'm going to introduce you to my bees. Here they are, living a strange set of hives. 2 3-foot speakers. This one's been here 3 years, this will be its 4th year. This one's on its 1st year. All thriving and doing well. Place this covering over them over winter. Stop the rain and the ice getting on them. This one was alright without it because they had plenty of bees in there, but this one didn't have so many. Try and get in to show you. Come on that way, ladies. You can't really see it until night time. But the story is, a few years ago, there's a big swarm of them here, and they all landed on that speaker there, and within half an hour they'd gone inside it, and that was it. They'd made a home in there. So 3 winters later, after surviving, I put that one down to see if any would go in, and obviously a queen did go in because they made another hive in there. So now 2. They are honeybees. I don't steal any of the honey because they need it for winter. They work all summer and store it for the winter, and that's what they live off. These drone bees only live a few weeks. Well, that queen inside that one, she'll be the original queen still, 4-year-old queen, and that one is a year old. So that's the bees. Would like to get them proper hives, but seem happy enough and they're thriving, they're surviving alright. Got no diseases in there. Okay, so that's the bees.